Hi, Dr. Miller here. I wanted to touch base with all of you and encourage you to keep on keeping on. You're almost to the finish line, just a few more assignments, and you will have successfully completed this part of your program. I wanted to take some time to talk to you about Module 4, which introduces students to the continuous improvement process. It is important for you to remember that continuous improvement is a cycle, a process that you as an instructional leader will be utilizing throughout your experiences in K-12 education. So really, this purpose of this module is to give you a hands-on experience in which you will go through all pieces of the continuous improvement process so that you fully understand how the plan, study, do, act model helps drive instruction, helps you as a leader, as an instructional leader. So in Module 4, you have 2 assignments, and it's important that you do these assignments separately. The overall goal is for you to create a campus improvement plan. That is not just a one-time event. Yes, it is a report and you use Plan for Learning, but it's an ongoing process. And so before you can even start your campus improvement plan, you really want to first start with the data. So you're going to pull your campus's or district's TAPER report. You don't have to use your district or campus's TAPER report. I have provided you 2 other TAPER reports that you can pull from. This gives you additional experience on how to really understand the data that is in the report. And in the Data Analysis Needs Assessment Report assignment, you are to act as an instructional leader, a curriculum specialist for your district. You serve in a leadership position, and you're serving in the Campus Improvement Committee. So you have the site-based committee. You're serving as a leader in that capacity. And you are going to provide a report to a superintendent. Now, you're really not going to do this. You don't have to share this information with your superintendent. This is just an assignment. But certainly in the real world, when you do become a campus principal or become a curriculum leader in your district, you will be participating in these types of activities. So you're going to really dive into the TAPER report, and I would like to call attention to the attached files that I have shared with you in the module. Notice that there is a data analysis PDF that I want to go over, a needs assessment document, and then also an implement and monitor document. These 3 PDFs will really help you create a data analysis needs assessment report. So you're going to create a report that you would share with your superintendent. So it needs to have a title, a data analysis needs assessment report. In that report, you want to talk about first I would first draw attention to the data analysis PDF. This really provides you a really nice quick snapshot on what a data analysis and needs assessment is and the process. It goes over, you want to, in your report, to identify the purpose of your report. And you're really going to dive into these indexes here. Now, I know that the Post-Secondary Readiness Index no longer exists. If you want to talk about that in your report, you most certainly can, because it did exist up until September of this semester. But you want to talk about areas of improvement in the first paragraph and really identify your targeted areas of improvement using these indexes. So either you're going to really focus on student achievement, you might be thinking about closing performance gaps among different groups. And then, of course, you can also talk about post-secondary readiness or student progress. Okay, so you're going to look at these indexes and then use data Okay, and there's multiple sources of data. Of course, you're going to use your TAPR report, but you really want to focus on other types of data too. You can look at feeder patterns, attendance, discipline, student data. Maybe you have campus-based benchmark systems that you want to look at, instruction. So there's a lot of different sources for your data. It's not just a TAPR report. And you're going to analyze, you're going to identify a targeted area. Okay, where did we stop here?